Welcome, everyone. It's Vapors Drakemar. It is time for more League of Legends. We're doing Nexus Blitz. Yes, Nexus Blitz. We're going to be doing some Veigar in Nexus Blitz versus a relatively intimidating team comp with double Sejuanis on both teams. Although Cogmon Fiddlesticks are probably my greatest nemesises, other than Camille, and then probably Renekton. But I don't know who is going to be the biggest problem. We also have the basically busted champion, Gwen, who could apparently, if they know what they're doing, sustain through almost any fight and is actually disgusting right now. I don't know what's taking this loading screen so incredibly long to load. I'm actually kind of glad I didn't. But yeah, I'm very angry about them telling me that rare champions and Raid Shadow Legends are a dying breed. That is totally not true. That's totally not true. Especially for the early player, if you're not like an ultra veteran at the game, they are very important to you because almost all of your champion pool is rares or uncommons. And a smattering, if you're lucky, and if you manage to get a sacred, probably a smattering of epics. Just a smattering. Barely any epics. And that's if you're lucky. You could be just permanently, it feels like just permanently stuck with, almost with rares until you get sacred shards. Literally stuck with rares. Almost everything you have is composed of a rare. So that's my problem with that. Either a rare, a common, or an uncommon. There is no guarantee until you get sacred shards, whenever that is. And your two like free epics, which are barely worth it. There's no guarantee that you're gonna have an epic. I mean, yeah, there's no guarantee you have an epic, and there's definitely no guarantee you're gonna have a legendary. So that's why I'm really annoyed, because the rares are the backbone of the newer player base, the backbone of their team comp. Like War Maiden, all that. Those are all the backbone of the newer player bases stuff. So that's why it gets under my skin really hard when people say, "Oh, are rares a dying breed?" No, they're not. If you're at all a new player, gonna start with farming. Fuck with Christ. This is going to be difficult. I want to get a pick here. All right. Gonna get that lost chapter. So hard to get it early, like. Frick this Renekton, man. Try to get some damage down, man.
Here.
Oh my god. Friggin' Renekton in that is so dumb. Oh well. Oh well, I couldn't outplay the early game of their comp. So dumb. The Renekton Sejuani combo, and they have the. Oh my god. Oh my god. I get some damage down, man. I need a Ludens to try to get him. I want some farm somewhere. But I have to get interactive. Trying to get some damage. Trying to get some damage down. Because our game, our team's early is got wrecked, so I can't figure out what to do here. This is going to be difficult. I even tried to do some damage with that. Man. The team is just not good at their champs. I don't know how I'm going to carry this. I'm trying to do my best, but yeah. This is not looking up for us. That's the thing about Renekton. Although he falls off, you'll never see it in Nexus Blitz. If they're even half good at the champ. I was trying to fight back. They just freaking dogpile me, man. My team is bad at the game. But whatever. Trying to turtle. Oh, that's not going to be good for me. We're not going to get any good numbers this game. My team sucks. My team sucks. Their team comp is godlike. I even tried to do something with that, but my team's just too bad. I don't know what to do. They're too bad compared to the enemy team. It's just they're too bad at the game. can't even get my damn thing off. I just don't see it. Well, I'm making some comebacks. I'm trying. This is bad. I'm gonna need the Zanya. I've recovered my KD, but I still don't know if we can make it. I gotta get over there in time because they have a Kog'Maw. Kog'Maw's bad for me and everything. Alright, Yone's doing something. What's going on? What the frick is going on? What is going on? Is my internet died? No, what is going on? What's going on? You gotta be fucking with me, man. No. What is this? What's going on? I swear I hate League. It's even worse than Raid. It's so bad. What is going on? Of course. Of course. They put me into maintenance and in the middle of a match. Of course they do. Of course they do. Of course they do. I swear I hate League.